Today we'll talk about the first step of Hajj, Ihram, the beginning of the journey, and what to do after reaching Makkah. And this is not just one video. This is going to be a full Hajj series where we'll break down Hajj step by step in the easiest way possible. So welcome to episode 1 of our Hajj series. When you begin your journey for Hajj, you have to start your Ihram from the airport. But before that, make sure you already did ghusl, or at least wudu. Then you wear the Ihram. Two simple white pieces of cloth. One is wrapped around the lower body, and the other is placed over the upper body. After wearing Ihram, you pray to rakas of Salah and make your intention for Hajj. And then begins one of the most beautiful parts of Hajj, the Talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaika la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wa nimata laka wal mulk, la sharika lak. This means, here I am, O Allah. Answering your call, you have no partner, all praise, all blessings, and all kingdom belong to you. From this moment, you officially enter the state of Ihram. And during the journey, you should continue reciting the Talbiyah often, after prayers, while traveling, or whenever your heart feels connected to Allah. After entering Ihram, there are certain things you must avoid, because Ihram is a sacred state of worship. During this time, you should stay away from sins, arguments, bad language, and hurting others. You should also avoid perfume or any strong fragrance. Do not cut your nails. And do not remove hair from the body or head. For men, regular stitched clothes like shirts, pants, socks, or robes are not allowed during Ihram. And men should not cover their head. For women, the face and hands should remain uncovered during Ihram. And married couples should avoid intimate actions during this sacred state. These rules help keep the heart focused on worship, patience, and obedient to Allah. After reaching Makkah, you go towards Masjid al-Haram. And when you see the Kaaba for the very first time, you can say, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah. For many people, it becomes one of the most emotional moments of their life. Then you move towards Hajr al-Aswad, the black stone. You face it and say, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah. If possible, you may kiss the black stone. But because of the crowd, most people simply touch it or point towards it with their hand. From here, Tawaf begins. Tawaf means circling the Kaaba 7 times. You begin from the side of the black stone and walk around the Kaaba in a peaceful and respectful way. And for men, in the first 3 rounds, there is a special style of walking called Ramal. Ramal means walking a little faster with energy and strength. After the first 3 rounds, the rest are completed normally. And each time you pass the black stone, you can point towards it again. After completing the 7 rounds of Tawaf, you pray to rakas of Salah. This Tawaf is called Tawaf al-Qudum, meaning the arrival Tawaf. And it is a sunnah. After Tawaf, you perform Sa'i. Sa'i means walking between Safa and Marwa 7 times. You start from Safa and walk towards Marwa. That counts as 1 round. Then you walk back from Marwa to Safa. And this continues until 7 rounds are completed. Between the 2 green lights, men walk slightly faster. This reminds us of the struggle and faith of Hajr, the mother of Prophet Ismail. Hajj is not just a journey of the body, it is a journey of the heart. And this was only the first step. In the next episode, we'll continue the journey of Hajj step by step. Until then, Allah Hafiz.